The world teems with remarkable biodiversity, and within it, snakes hold a place of fascination. Their varied species, each with distinct traits, represent evolution's artistry. But among this multitude, a handful are incredibly rare, their existence delicate and often threatened. These elusive, exceptional snakes command attention, their stories rich with intrigue and poignancy. Number 1. St. Lucia racer, Leptotyphlops carli. One of the world's rarest snake species, the St. Lucia racer, Leptotyphlops carli, calls the Caribbean island of St. Lucia home. A glance reveals a diminutive, non-venomous serpent with a slender body, barely 18 inches long, graced by smooth scales in a modest hue of brown or tan. The St. Lucia racer, also known as the thread snake, resides exclusively on Maria Island's nature reserve, a tiny haven located just off the coast of St. Lucia. Its preferred habitat consists of leaf litter and sandy soil, ideal for burrowing and hunting its invertebrate prey. Living mostly underground, these snakes exhibit a secretive and elusive behavior, which further contributes to their rarity. The St. Lucia racer's rarity is accentuated by its status as a single island species, meaning its entire global population is restricted to this small island. This confinement to such a narrow geographic range poses severe risks to the species, as any significant change to their environment could potentially wipe out the entire population. Their numbers plummeted due to invasive species, particularly mongooses, introduced to the island for rodent control, which turned out to be disastrous for the local wildlife. By the early 20th century, the St. Lucia racer was declared extinct, but a small population was miraculously rediscovered on Maria Islands in the 1970s. The story of the St. Lucia racer is emblematic of the struggles many rare species face in our rapidly changing world. It's a tale of survival against the odds, amplified by its confinement to a tiny island amidst vast ocean waters. This slithering thread of life, teetering on the edge of existence, reminds us of the fragility of life and our responsibility to protect it. Number 2. Orlov's viper, Vipera orlovi. The Orlov's viper, Vipera orlovi, is a relatively unknown reptile due to its extreme rarity. Named after Russian herpetologist Nikolai Orlov, this enigmatic snake hails from the Caucasus region, specifically from a small area in the western part of Russia. At a glance, the Orlov's viper is distinctively beautiful. It sports a vivid color pattern ranging from gray-brown to yellow-brown with darker zigzag patterns adorning its dorsal side, making it a fascinating subject for herpetologists and snake enthusiasts alike. Orlov's viper thrives in mountainous terrains with a strong preference for open and rocky landscapes or sparse woodland. This viper is a formidable predator, primarily preying on small mammals, birds, and lizards. Its venom, though not usually fatal to humans, contains potent hemotoxins. However, the Orlov's viper is in peril. The exact number of these vipers left in the wild remains unknown, but the species is currently listed as critically endangered by the IUCN. The primary threat to their survival stems from habitat loss due to agricultural development and the illegal pet trade, which often targets rare and visually appealing snake species. Although the plight of the Orlov's viper is relatively unknown, efforts have been made to protect its habitat and curb illegal activities. This intriguing creature's survival underscores the necessity for diligent conservation measures to safeguard our planet's rarest species. Number 3. Round Island boa, Casarea dusumieri. The Round Island boa, or the Casarea dusumieri, boasts the unique status of being the sole surviving member of its family, the Boleriidae. These captivating snakes are endemic to Round Island, a tiny islet off the coast of Mauritius. Unlike most snakes, the Round Island boa possesses a unique jaw adaptation that allows it to feast upon geckos and skinks. When these reptiles disappeared from their diet due to environmental changes, the boa adjusted by turning to a diet of nesting seabirds. Physically, the Round Island boa can reach lengths of up to 1.5 meters, displaying an array of brown, gray, and olive-green shades. Its eyes, captivating and reflective, are set into a head that is slightly distinct from the neck, a rare trait in snakes. These snakes were once widespread across Mauritius, but are now confined to Round Island due to habitat destruction and the introduction of invasive species such as rabbits and goats. These destructive forces decimated the island's vegetation, leading to a drastic decline in the boa population. The saga of the Round Island boa provides a hopeful narrative of recovery and resilience. As the last of its kind, the survival of this extraordinary snake is a testament to successful conservation efforts and the adaptability of nature. Number 4. Short-nosed sea snake, Ipisaurus aprifrontalis. Among the rarest and most elusive sea snakes in the world, the short-nosed sea snake, Ipisaurus aprifrontalis, is a marine marvel found in the waters of Western Australia. With its striking appearance and unique adaptations, this snake captures the imagination of biologists and herpetology enthusiasts. The short-nosed sea snake derives its name from its distinctive characteristic, a short, blunt snout that sets it apart from other sea snake species. Its body is sleek and cylindrical, allowing for efficient movement through the water. The snake's coloration varies, typically showcasing shades of black or dark brown with vibrant yellow bands. This sea snake species predominantly inhabits shallow, nearshore environments, including coral reefs, seagrass beds, and estuaries. It is highly adapted for its marine lifestyle, possessing a paddle-shaped tail and the ability to respire through a specialized lung that allows gas exchange in low-oxygen environments. The short-nosed sea snake primarily feeds on small fish and invertebrates, utilizing its venomous bite to immobilize prey. However, despite its venomous nature, it poses little threat to humans due to its docile disposition and limited encounters with humans. Conservation efforts are crucial for the protection of the short-nosed sea snake. Initiatives such as marine protected areas, sustainable fishing practices, and public awareness campaigns can help mitigate the threats faced by this remarkable species. Scientists and researchers continue to study its behavior, distribution, and population dynamics to inform conservation strategies effectively. The short-nosed sea snake serves as a symbol of the delicate interplay between marine ecosystems and human activities. Its rarity reminds us of the importance of responsible stewardship of our oceans and the need to protect these fascinating creatures for future generations to marvel at and appreciate. Number 5. Alcatraz's lancehead, Bothrops alcatraz. The Alcatraz's lancehead, Bothrops alcatraz, is an elusive and critically endangered snake species found on Alcatraz's Island off the coast of Brazil. Named after the island it inhabits, this venomous pit viper is known for its unique adaptations and restricted range. The Alcatraz's lancehead possesses a stout body and a triangular-shaped head, characteristic of pit vipers. Its scales display a range of earthy tones, blending seamlessly with its natural surroundings. The venom of this species contains potent toxins, making it a formidable predator. The snake's exclusive habitat on Alcatraz's Island poses a significant challenge to its survival. With limited land area and isolation from mainland ecosystems, the Alcatraz's lancehead faces increased vulnerability to environmental disturbances and human activities. Historically, the introduction of invasive species, such as feral pigs, has had a detrimental impact on the snake's population. These pigs not only disrupt the delicate island ecosystem, but also directly prey upon the snakes. Furthermore, habitat destruction, illegal collection for the exotic pet trade, and potential climate change effects further threaten the species' survival. The Alcatraz's lancehead serves as a reminder of the fragile balance between human activities and biodiversity conservation. It highlights the importance of preserving unique island ecosystems and the urgent need for proactive measures to protect endangered species like the Alcatraz's lancehead. Number 6. Antiguan racer, Alsophis antiguae. The Antiguan racer, Alsophis antiguae, holds the distinction of being one of the rarest snakes in the world, endemic to the Caribbean island of Antigua. With its fascinating history and remarkable recovery efforts, this snake stands as a testament to successful conservation actions. The Antiguan racer is a non-venomous species, characterized by a slender body and an olive-brown coloration. It primarily inhabits the island's dry forests, scrublands, and grassy areas. Small lizards make up the majority of its diet. At one point, the Antiguan racer faced near extinction, with the population declining to a critically low number. Introduced predators such as mongooses and rats, coupled with habitat loss due to deforestation, posed significant threats to the snake's survival. By the 1990s, it was believed to be the rarest snake in the world, with a population estimated at only around 50 individuals. However, dedicated conservation efforts spearheaded by organizations like the Durrell Wildlife Conservation Trust have successfully turned the tide for the Antiguan racer. Intensive habitat restoration, captive breeding programs, and the eradication of invasive predators have led to a remarkable recovery of the species. The recovery of the Antiguan racer showcases the significance of collaborative efforts between local communities, conservation organizations, and governmental support. It serves as a beacon of hope, inspiring further conservation actions to protect other rare and endangered species around the world. Number 7. Aruba Island Rattlesnake, Crotalus unicolor. The Aruba Island rattlesnake, Crotalus unicolor, is an extraordinary reptile native to the island of Aruba in the Caribbean. This rare species is known for its distinct characteristics, adaptation to arid environments, and its remarkable journey to recovery from the brink of extinction. The Aruba Island rattlesnake is a venomous snake with a stout body, reaching an average length of around 70 centimeters. Its coloration varies, with individuals displaying shades of brown, gray, or olive, allowing for effective camouflage in the arid habitats it calls home. These rattlesnakes are uniquely adapted to the harsh and arid conditions of Aruba. They have the ability to survive for extended periods without access to fresh water, obtaining moisture from their diet of small mammals and lizards. Their venom is a potent weapon, primarily used to immobilize prey and for self-defense. However, dedicated conservation efforts have led to a remarkable recovery for the Aruba Island rattlesnake. The establishment of Aracock National Park, covering a significant portion of the snake's habitat, played a crucial role in protecting its remaining population. Additionally, public awareness campaigns and educational initiatives have fostered a better understanding and appreciation for this unique species. The story of the Aruba Island rattlesnake is a testament to the resilience of nature and the importance of proactive conservation efforts. It serves as a reminder of the delicate balance between human activities and biodiversity preservation. By safeguarding the unique habitats and promoting coexistence with rare and threatened species, we can ensure the long-term survival of extraordinary creatures like the Aruba Island rattlesnake. Number 8. Catalina Island rattlesnake, Crotalus catalinensis. The Catalina Island rattlesnake, Crotalus catalinensis, is a rare and endemic species found exclusively on Santa Catalina Island, off the coast of Southern California. This venomous pit viper is known for its unique adaptation to the island's diverse habitats and its significance as a keystone species. The Catalina Island rattlesnake has a distinctive appearance, characterized by a slender body, diamond-shaped head, and a prominent rattle at the end of its tail. Its coloration varies, with individuals displaying shades of brown, tan, or gray, enabling effective camouflage in the island's diverse landscapes. These rattlesnakes have adapted to a range of habitats on Santa Catalina Island, including rocky outcrops, canyons, and coastal scrublands. They primarily feed on small mammals and lizards, utilizing their venom to subdue and immobilize prey. The conservation status of the Catalina Island rattlesnake is of concern due to its restricted range and vulnerability to human activities. Habitat loss and fragmentation, introduction of non-native species, and illegal collection have posed significant threats to the population. Additionally, encounters between humans and rattlesnakes have led to conflicts and instances of intentional killing. The Catalina Island rattlesnake serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of species within their ecosystems and the importance of conservation efforts to protect rare and unique island species like this iconic rattlesnake. Number 9. Santa Catalina Island racer, Masticophis anthoni. The Santa Catalina Island racer, Masticophis anthoni, is a rare and endemic snake species found solely on Santa Catalina Island, located off the coast of Southern California. This non-venomous colubrid snake is known for its striking appearance and its adaptation to the island's diverse habitats. The Santa Catalina Island racer boasts a slender body with a length of up to 1 meter. It exhibits a unique color pattern, typically displaying a vibrant shade of greenish-brown or olive, accented with distinctive black markings along its back and sides. These racers thrive in various habitats on the island, including coastal scrublands, grasslands, and canyons. They are agile and fast-moving snakes, utilizing their speed and agility to capture small prey such as lizards and rodents. Despite its captivating nature, the Santa Catalina Island racer faces numerous threats to its population. Habitat loss and fragmentation, competition with invasive species, predation by non-native animals, and unintentional killing by humans are among the primary challenges that endanger this species. Conservation efforts have been implemented to safeguard the Santa Catalina Island racer. The protection and restoration of its habitat, as well as the control of invasive species, are essential for its survival. Public education and awareness programs have also been instrumental in fostering a sense of responsibility and coexistence with this unique island species. Number 10. Lake Erie water snake, Nerodia cypodon insularum. The Lake Erie water snake, Nerodia cypodon insularum, is a rare and non-venomous aquatic snake species endemic to the Lake Erie Islands region of the United States. This fascinating snake has experienced a remarkable recovery after being listed as a federally endangered species, highlighting the importance of conservation efforts. Lake Erie water snakes have a robust body and can reach lengths of up to 4 feet. They exhibit a wide range of colors, including shades of brown, gray, and olive, with dark blotches or bands along their body. These snakes are highly adapted to their aquatic environment, with keeled scales that provide traction for swimming. The primary habitat of the Lake Erie water snake consists of rocky shorelines, marshes, and wetland areas around the Lake Erie Islands. They are excellent swimmers and feed primarily on fish, frogs, and small invertebrates found in the surrounding waters. The population of Lake Erie water snakes dramatically declined in the past due to persecution, habitat degradation, and intentional killing by humans who misunderstood or feared the species. By the mid-1990s, the population had dwindled to fewer than 2,000 individuals, prompting their listing as an endangered species. Since then, concerted conservation efforts have led to a significant recovery for the Lake Erie water snake. Habitat restoration projects, public education, and strict legal protection have played a crucial role in their conservation success. The removal of invasive species and the reduction of human disturbance in their habitat have further aided their recovery. Today, the population of Lake Erie water snakes has rebounded to several thousand individuals, leading to their removal from the federal endangered species list in 2011. This remarkable recovery serves as a testament to the power of conservation action and the ability of species to bounce back when given a chance. The story of the Lake Erie water snake highlights the importance of understanding and valuing the ecological role of every species, even those initially perceived as a nuisance or threat. With continued conservation efforts and responsible management, this unique snake species can thrive and contribute to the biodiversity of the Lake Erie Islands region. Number 11. New Mexico ridge-nosed rattlesnake, Crotalus willardi obscurus. The New Mexico ridge-nosed rattlesnake, Crotalus willardi obscurus, is a rare and venomous snake species found in the southwestern United States, particularly in New Mexico. With its unique physical characteristics and limited distribution, this snake species is of great interest to herpetologists and conservationists. The New Mexico ridge-nosed rattlesnake possesses a slender body with distinct ridge-like scales along its nose, giving it its characteristic name. It displays coloration ranging from pale gray to brown, often adorned with intricate patterns of darker shades. Its venomous bite serves as a defense mechanism and aids in capturing prey, primarily small rodents and lizards. The New Mexico ridge-nosed rattlesnake faces threats such as habitat degradation, urban development, illegal collection, and persecution due to fear and misunderstanding. Additionally, climate change and the introduction of invasive species can further impact the species' survival and population dynamics. Efforts to conserve the New Mexico ridge-nosed rattlesnake include the protection and management of its critical habitat, public education to raise awareness and promote coexistence, and research to better understand its ecological needs and population status. These conservation actions aim to ensure the long-term survival of this unique snake species. Preserving the New Mexico ridge-nosed rattlesnake not only contributes to the conservation of biodiversity, but also helps maintain the delicate balance of ecosystems in the southwestern United States. By recognizing the importance of these rare and threatened species, we can work towards their protection and the preservation of their habitats for future generations. Number 12. San Francisco garter snake, Thamnophis sirtalis tetratenea. The San Francisco garter snake, Thamnophis sirtalis tetratenea, is a rare and visually striking snake species endemic to the San Francisco Bay Area of California. With its vibrant colors and threatened status, this snake has captured the attention of conservationists and wildlife enthusiasts alike. The San Francisco garter snake boasts a slender body adorned with vivid hues of red, black, and blue. Its distinct coloration serves as a warning to potential predators, indicating its toxicity and defense capabilities. This non-venomous snake primarily feeds on small amphibians and invertebrates found in the marshes and wetlands it calls home. Habitat loss and degradation pose significant threats to the survival of the San Francisco garter snake. Wetland destruction, urban development, pollution, and the alteration of waterways have all contributed to the decline of suitable habitats for this species. Additionally, invasive species, such as bullfrogs and non-native fish, compete with and prey upon the snake, further jeopardizing its population. Despite ongoing conservation efforts, the San Francisco garter snake remains listed as endangered by state and federal authorities. Continued conservation measures are crucial to ensure the survival and recovery of this rare and iconic snake species. The preservation of its habitat and the restoration of wetlands are key components of safeguarding the San Francisco garter snake and maintaining the ecological balance of the San Francisco Bay Area. Number 13. Eastern indigo snake, Drymarchon cooperi. The eastern indigo snake, Drymarchon cooperi, is a rare and magnificent non-venomous snake species native to the southeastern United States. With its impressive size, iridescent blue-black coloration, and ecological significance, this snake holds a special place in the region's biodiversity. The eastern indigo snake is the longest native snake species in North America, capable of reaching lengths of up to 8 feet. Its glossy scales reflect shades of deep blue and black, shimmering in the sunlight. As a top predator, it plays a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance by controlling populations of small mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. This snake species primarily inhabits longleaf pine forests, flatwoods, and wetland areas with a mixture of open spaces and cover. Its diet consists of a variety of prey, including rodents, birds, and even venomous snakes, thanks to its immunity to pit viper venom. Unfortunately, the eastern indigo snake faces numerous threats that have resulted in its declining population. Habitat loss due to urbanization, agricultural practices, and the suppression of natural fire regimes has significantly impacted its preferred longleaf pine habitat. Additionally, road mortality, intentional killing due to fear or misunderstanding, and collection for the illegal pet trade pose additional threats to its survival. The eastern indigo snake represents a symbol of resilience and the need for coexistence between humans and wildlife. By protecting its habitat and embracing conservation practices, we can ensure the preservation of this magnificent species and contribute to the overall health and biodiversity of the southeastern United States. Number 14. Javan spitting cobra, Naja sputatrix. The Javan spitting cobra, Naja sputatrix, is a rare and venomous snake species found primarily on the Indonesian island of Java. This remarkable cobra species has gained recognition for its unique defensive behavior of spitting venom, making it both intriguing and dangerous. The Javan spitting cobra showcases a beautiful and striking appearance, with a long and slender body and a hood that can expand when threatened. Its coloration ranges from shades of brown to olive green, adorned with dark markings along its body. This venomous snake primarily preys on small mammals, birds, and reptiles. What sets the Javan spitting cobra apart is its ability to spit venom with remarkable accuracy and range. When confronted, it can project its venom through its specialized fangs, aiming for the eyes of its aggressor. This behavior serves as a defensive mechanism to deter potential threats and predators. Due to habitat loss, degradation, and human activities, the Javan spitting cobra faces significant challenges to its survival. Deforestation, agricultural expansion, and illegal collection for the exotic pet trade have led to a decline in suitable habitats and fragmented populations. Additionally, conflict with humans, including retaliatory killing, further endangers the species. Preserving the Javan spitting cobra not only ensures the survival of a remarkable snake species, but also contributes to the ecological balance and biodiversity of the Java ecosystem. By valuing and protecting these rare and unique species, we can promote a harmonious coexistence between humans and the natural world, while appreciating the wonders and diversity of snakes like the Javan spitting cobra. Number 15. Dumeril's boa, Acrantophis dumerili. Dumeril's boa, Acrantophis dumerili, is a rare and fascinating snake species native to the island of Madagascar and surrounding islands in the western Indian Ocean. With its impressive size, striking patterns, and unique habitat, this boa species captures the imagination of snake enthusiasts and conservationists alike. Dumeril's boa is a large, non-venomous snake that can reach lengths of up to 7 feet or more. It possesses a robust body, adorned with beautiful patterns of reddish-brown or gray, marked with dark brown or black blotches. This cryptic coloration helps it blend into its forested habitat. These boas are primarily found in the tropical rainforests, deciduous forests, and scrublands of Madagascar. They are adept climbers, capable of moving through the tree canopies with ease. Dumeril's boa is a powerful predator, preying on a variety of small mammals, birds, and reptiles. The population of Dumeril's boa faces numerous threats that have led to its rarity and endangered status. Habitat loss due to deforestation, illegal logging, and agricultural activities has significantly impacted the snake's forested habitats. Additionally, collection for the pet trade, hunting, and superstitions surrounding snakes contribute to the decline of its population. Conservation efforts are crucial for the survival of Dumeril's boa. Efforts such as the establishment of protected areas, habitat restoration, and captive breeding programs have been initiated to safeguard the species. Public education about the importance of preserving biodiversity and the negative consequences of illegal wildlife trade are also essential for its conservation. By protecting the natural habitats of Dumeril's boa and implementing sustainable practices, we can ensure the continued existence of this magnificent species and contribute to the conservation of Madagascar's remarkable biodiversity. Preserving Dumeril's boa is not only essential for the boa itself, but also for the overall health and integrity of the fragile ecosystems it calls home.